to the Helford. Hi everyone, welcome back to Love Sundays. Today I'm taking a coastal path along Morgan Smith all the way down to a beach down at the Helford. The view along this walk is absolutely phenomenal. So I'm going to capture some of it for you so you can have a look. And it all starts off at the church. Let's just take into account where I am. So the plan for today is once the walk's done, I'm going to go for a swim. It does look a bit choppy out there, so if it is too rough I'm not going to go in, but we'll just see how it is. Hence why stuff with camera stuff and swimming stuff. Right, yeah, it's a big bag, but I don't go in the sea without a wetsuit because I'm a wuss. Other than that, you need to just look at how beautiful this place is. I mean, look at it. Yes, it is a bit windy today, but because it's so hot, I actually think that the wind is sort of cooling you down, which is what's needed today, I think. So we've got St Anthony over there. Down there's the Helford Passage, and we've got Durgan just sort of down that way, just down there. What I'll do like a little maps pin drop kind of thing so you can see where I am at the moment. And for anyone that wonders, yes, there's a card in there today, and there's space on it because I checked it. Something comfort. that was the Helford. No idea how the GoPro footage is going to come out, because again, I can't see it. But I do know that the water was pretty murky, so don't know what you're going to see, but you would have already seen it already anyway, so hopefully it came out fine. Hopefully you liked this video today. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers and gone!
Yeah.